Want to clear out your watch history on Netflix, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Netflix watch history. Now let's get started. To delete your Netflix watch history, go to netflix.com in your browser of choice and sign into your account. Then click your profile icon at the top. Select Account. On the left, click Profiles. Select your profile. Then click Viewing Activity. Here you'll be able to review your watch history. Click the Hide icon beside any title you want to remove from your viewing history, and also remove from your Continue Watching session if you hadn't finished watching this title. If you want to clear out your watch history entirely, you can click Hide All at the bottom of the page. Once you've cleared items from your viewing history, they should disappear from your Continue Watching section within 24 hours. That's all it takes to delete your Netflix watch history. For more helpful Netflix tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Netflix tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.